hurricane.
No, it wasn't. But the man was stubborn.
I really thought it would explode.
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a tornado warning for north central Chatham County in west central Georgia, northern Abbeville County in west central Georgia. Wait, you are not listening to me? Are you up? Let's get back to the alert. Until 3:32 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Wait a minute, you are still not listening to me. Well, I guess you'd go die to a tornado or whatever instead of listening to me. I'll just end the alert.
His chicken around the country.
Congratulations, Colonel. Well done.